What is the secret for being long life?
What?
What is the secret?
For being long, right?
Long life. Yeah. What is the secret? What?
Smile.
Smile. All right. See, you always smile. You get a long life. Like her, 100
And I got,
century.
And she's smiling now.
Yeah, that's why she always smile.
I
That's
got
why.
Smiling still. You gave me your phone? Carol.
You remember the World War II last time? 1941. You are, no, because he is 103 years old. That's why you know all. You remember, very hard break for you.
yes.
World War II.
My husband left and I didn't see him.
Your husband dead in World War II?
I haven't seen him for a long time.
Your husband is a soldier. He's an army in World War II, 1941.
I know that.
You remember?
You betcha. I don't like to remember that.
Okay, I'm so sorry. Very heartbreak for you, the World War II.
Yeah.
You don't want to remember. A lot of people dead.
You betcha.
I'm so sorry, Mama.
There it goes.
Yeah.
We.
World War II, at that time you're 20 years old.
My husband told me, just keep a smile on your face.
Your husband said,
He's not dead, but he was held prisoner and stuff.
your husband is a soldier?
He was, yes.
He was.
That's right.
Ah, okay. Yeah.
Is that okay now?
Oh,
Is that better? Okay, let's do it. Because you're beautiful.
well, thank you. So are you.
Yeah.
You heard.
She is very pretty. She is pretty. She is 102 years old, but still pretty, Mama.
Yeah.
Yeah. Maybe last time you are young. When you are young, you are more pretty. Yeah.
Well, my husband always told me, smile.
Ah, your husband told you always smile.
Yes,
You're becoming young.
and he'll be back.
Wow.
And I'm a tough old cookie too, and I can do that.
Still, you remember the name of your mom?
I have a stepmother,
Stepmother.
and her name was Hilda.
Hilda. Hilda Coronel.
Or something.
But your mom name? Still, you remember your mom name?
Hilda.
Hilda. Your father?
That was my stepmother.
Ah, only stepmother. But your real mom? You know your real mom?
Well, I don't remember much about her.
You don't remember your real mom?
It's good.
Oh, yeah.
You and I used to eat for that. So
Yes.
so that you,
Yes, Mama.
because I didn't have any dime. I had nothing.
Of course.
So you could, then it was okay.
Okay, Mama.
Like we did it, it was 3 each.
Hmm.
Then you got a pretty bracelet and a pretty top.
Yeah.
Yep.
You look like you're about ready to be on the move. We.
You remember her birthday? When is your birthday, Mom? Mama?
Well, my real mother, I don't remember.
No, your birthday.
My birthday, October 27, 1923.
Wow, very amazing. October 27, 1923. Your brain, yeah? Good memory.
Yeah.
Very sharp memory, Mama.
I like to see all the people walk around and
Yeah, all the
everybody's crying.
Yeah.
They're trying to be happy.
President Roosevelt. Do you know Herbert Hoover? Herbert Hoover.
Well,
You know him? Calvin Coolidge.
I know the name, but I don't.
You don't remember. Still, you know who is Calvin Coolidge? Calvin Coolidge.
Oh, another one.
You don't know who is Calvin Coolidge? And Herbert Hoover.
Yeah.
You don't remember who's them?
Okay, I'm not there. I'm down here.
My mind is just.
Good job, Mama. Okay. What is the secret for being a long life?
What?
What is the secret?
For being one.
Long life. Yeah, what is the secret? What?
Smile.
Smile. All right. See? You always smile, you get a long life. Like her, 100
And I
century.
She's smiling now.
Yeah, that's why she always smile. That's why.
Still.
See, you see the teeth? Her teeth is complete. It's a very nice teeth. She is 102 years old, but the teeth is good.
I don't even count them anymore.
This is the secret, huh? Give me advice. Mama, thank you so much for the advice. Always smile, you get 100,000 life.
Wow.
Yeah, this is a secret of a long, long life.
Oui.
Yeah. Always smile, always happy.
Aha.
No stress.
Well, I've got kids and they're not around me very much anymore, but I know I have some children. And I
All
hope
right.
someday they'll all come and see me.
Yeah, of course. How many children do you have, Mama? You remember how many children do you have?
Yes, I had 2 girls and a boy.
Oh, good job, Mama.
Total of 3.
What? Total of 3, total of 4.
No, I had 3.
All is still alive? Or you have daughter passed away, died? No, all is still alive.
And I know my kids, when they come, if they'll come and see me, I'll know them.
Good, Mama.
I'll give them a big kiss.
He always give you a big kiss. Good job, Mama. Thank you. Good.
Oui.
Stuff. I like coffee.
Still drink coffee.
Good office here.